The HPC Keyable KeKabs are the only key cabinets ready to add your own mortise cylinder. Now, you can have a key cabinet that opens with the key to your office or to any other door in your facility. Or the cabinet can be included in a master key system, giving you security and convenience. The Keyable KeKabs are supplied with the hole for a standard mortise cylinder, and all of the components needed to install the cylinder: a heavy-duty back plate, a cylinder collar and set screw for securing the cylinder into the back plate, 2 heavy-duty cams, one for standard cylinders and one for high-security cylinders, 2 button head screws to secure the cam to the cylinder, and 2 Allen wrenches to fit those screws. The HPC Keyable KeKabs require only simple assembly. Position the back plate in line with the hole for the mortise cylinder. Insert the cylinder through the back plate. Make certain that the cylinder is straight up and down, and that the set screw is aligned with the indent. Hand tighten the set screw. Attach the cylinder collar and tighten it securely. Now, using the included 5/16 Allen wrench, firmly tighten the set screw. To prevent the cylinder from disassembling, make certain to remove the key from the mortise cylinder before removing the existing cam. Next, remove the existing screws and cam from the mortise cylinder. Attach the appropriate new cam to the mortise cylinder using the button head screws provided. The assembly is now complete. Insert the key and test the operation. As with all HPC KeKabs, the Keyable KeKabs are constructed of heavy gauge steel with piano hinge doors for durability, and are finished in an attractive neutral sand color. The slotted key racks allow for a uniform appearance and quick identification of any missing keys. All KeKabs come complete with numbered plastic key tags with metal snap hooks, heavy cardstock paper out tags, and a lock location booklet. In addition, all HPC KeKabs come with a free downloadable version of KeyTrail 25, a fully functional, limited capacity version of the preeminent key management software. Add convenience and security to the storage of your keys with the Keyable KeKab, available exclusively from HPC.